Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world that looks familiar but feels strangely heavy. The sky is blue, and the moon circles overhead, yet every step takes immense effort. Birds struggle to stay aloft, and jumping feels nearly impossible for everyone on Earth. The reason for this sudden change? Earth has grown 50% larger overnight. Welcome to the Planetarium, where we explore the fascinating what-if of a bigger planet. Earth currently spans 12,742 kilometers, but a 50% increase changes everything. The planet would grow to over 19,000 kilometers across, creating an entirely different world. If density remained the same, the mass would triple, drastically increasing our gravitational pull. Gravity is the invisible force that shapes almost every aspect of our daily existence. With stronger gravity, running becomes exhausting, and simple tasks require much more energy. Professional athletes would find their records impossible to beat under these new conditions. Basketball dunks and Olympic high jumps would become relics of a lighter past. Even climbing a flight of stairs would feel like a grueling workout for everyone. Birds would need significantly more energy to stay airborne in this dense environment. Many species might find it impossible to leave the ground, forcing a biological shift. Large animals would struggle to support their own weight against the crushing gravity. Future evolution would likely favor smaller, sturdier creatures capable of thriving in this world. A larger Earth would also hold onto more atmospheric gases, creating a denser shell. Air pressure at sea level would increase, potentially making sunsets even more vibrant. Sound would travel differently, and weather systems would grow larger and more powerful. Storms might last much longer due to the increased energy stored in the atmosphere. Gravity also dictates the height of mountains, limiting how tall they can grow. Massive peaks like Mount Everest would gradually erode or collapse under their own weight. Future mountain ranges would likely be much shorter and broader than those today. Meanwhile, ocean basins could become deeper, reshaping coastlines across the entire globe. Higher gravity would influence how water flows and how tides interact with the moon. Launching rockets into space would become far more difficult and significantly more expensive. Every spacecraft would require much more fuel to escape the stronger gravitational pull. Satellites would need massive amounts of energy just to reach a stable orbit. Humanity might take centuries longer to explore the vast reaches of our solar system. If Earth had always been this size, life would have evolved in unique ways. Humans might be shorter, stronger, and more muscular to handle the constant pressure. Buildings would use different engineering techniques to stay standing in this heavier world. Vehicles would be designed for higher loads, changing the way we transport goods. Sports, architecture, and daily life would all revolve around this stronger gravitational force. To future generations, this heavier world would simply feel like the normal way. Fortunately, Earth's size has remained remarkably stable for billions of years of history. Our planet is perfectly sized to hold an atmosphere while allowing birds to fly. It is small enough for rockets to launch and for humans to walk easily. A planet just 50% larger could change almost every aspect of our lives. That delicate balance is exactly what makes our home planet so extraordinary. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to the Planetarium for more cinematic space adventures. We explore incredible what-if scenarios that challenge your perspective on the universe. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering about the possibilities. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved by curious minds everywhere. Every discovery begins with a simple question about the nature of our reality. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into the mechanics of our cosmos. The story of Earth is a testament to the beauty of precise conditions. We are lucky to live on a world that supports life so perfectly. Imagine the possibilities if we could travel to other planets of varying sizes. The science of gravity is just one piece of the cosmic puzzle. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning about the world around you. Our journey through space and time is only just beginning today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a larger Earth. Your support helps us bring more fascinating science content to your screen. We appreciate every viewer who takes the time to ponder these questions. Let us continue to seek knowledge in the vast expanse of space. The wonders of the universe are waiting for us to discover them. See you in the next episode of The Planetarium, where science meets imagination. Keep looking up and never stop dreaming about the future of humanity.